If your skin feels tight, rough, flaky, or itchy, you might be suffering from dry skin, and you're not alone. Whether it's due to cold weather, harsh soaps, long hot showers, or just genetics, dry skin can be uncomfortable and frustrating. But here's the good news, you don't need expensive creams or complicated routines. Nature already has everything you need. Hi, welcome to Iqbal Health Matters, your go-to channel for safe, simple, and natural health solutions. In this video, we're diving into 8 natural home remedies to treat dry skin, plus bonus daily tips to prevent it from coming back. All remedies are safe, gentle, and easy to try at home. 1. Coconut oil. Lock in moisture naturally. Let's start with one of the most powerful natural moisturizers, coconut oil. It's rich in fatty acids that help seal in moisture and nourish the skin. After a warm shower, pat your skin dry and apply a thin layer of extra virgin coconut oil. Your skin will absorb it better when it's slightly damp. This works wonders on dry elbows, knees, hands, and heels. Tip: for cracked hands or feet, apply generously at night and wear cotton gloves or socks while you sleep. 2. Raw honey, nature's humectant. Raw honey is more than just sweet. It's a natural humectant, which means it attracts and holds moisture in your skin. Apply a thin layer of raw honey on your face or dry patches. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. You can use it alone or mix it with olive oil or yogurt for extra nourishment. Honey not only hydrates but also calms inflammation, heals cracks, and gives your skin a healthy glow. 3. Avocado mask, deep nourishment. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Perfect for repairing dry and damaged skin. Mash half a ripe avocado and add a teaspoon of honey or olive oil. Mix well and apply it to your face or any dry areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off. This is a perfect weekend self-care remedy that brings back softness and smoothness naturally. 4. Milk compress, gentle and soothing. Full-fat milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and smoothens dry, rough patches. Soak a clean cloth in cold milk and apply it to affected areas like your cheeks, arms, or legs. Leave it for 10 minutes and rinse. You can also add milk and honey to your bathwater for an all-over body treatment. This is ideal for people with sensitive, dry, or irritated skin. 5. Aloe vera gel, cool and repair. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, you have one of the best skin remedies right at your fingertips. Cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to dry skin. It cools, hydrates, and heals cracks and irritation. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes or even overnight. No plant? Look for 100% pure aloe vera gel with no added alcohol or chemicals. 6. Oatmeal bath, calm itchy skin. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. It's excellent for soothing dry, itchy, or inflamed skin. Grind a cup of plain oats into powder and add it to warm bath water. Soak for 15-20 minutes. Oatmeal forms a protective barrier on the skin, retains moisture, and calms irritation. Especially useful for eczema or winter dryness. Do this 2-3 times a week for soft, itch-free skin. 7. Cucumber juice, refresh and hydrate. Cucumbers are over 95% water and packed with silica and antioxidants that hydrate and refresh dry skin. Blend a cucumber, strain the juice, and apply it with a cotton pad on dry areas or under the eyes. You can also chill the juice for an added cooling effect. It's perfect for tired, dry, or sun-exposed skin. 8. Stay hydrated from the inside out. The most overlooked remedy for dry skin? Water. Dehydration shows up first on your skin. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily and eat water-rich fruits like watermelon, oranges, cucumbers, and leafy greens. Also, include healthy fats in your diet from nuts, seeds, avocados, and fish to support your skin's natural oil barrier. What you put inside your body is just as important as what you apply outside. Bonus daily tips to prevent dry skin. Here are a few bonus tips that make these remedies even more effective. Use lukewarm water, not hot water, for showers and face washing. Moisturize within 3 minutes after bathing to lock in water. Use fragrance-free and alcohol-free soaps or body washes. Install a humidifier during winter or in dry climates. Avoid wool or rough fabrics that irritate dry skin. Wear gloves when cleaning or washing dishes. These small changes can protect your skin and make your remedies work even better. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Iqbal Health Matters for more natural remedies and skincare tips.